I have the concept and I've gathered all the supplies that I think I'm gonna need to make this cup holder slash table for my Adirondack chair, or your outdoor patio furniture if you built one made out of 2x4s. For reference, this should work on any chair that has a 2x4 arm like this to a leg like this. So you can see our Adirondack chair, and it's gonna be like this, and it will be removable. So I got me a 2x4, this is a 1x10. I've ordered these on Amazon, they're just little insert cup holders. Brackets, like L brackets. Bought this hole saw for this for that. So, all right, let's get started. Yeah, bud. What? You gonna go inside? It's too loud. All right, just for a second, I'll call you. Okay? All right. He's not a big loud noise fan. Oh no. Look at that. Oh well, that's fine. 45-degree cut. Do a 90-degree cut. Just like this. Do one more. Just like that. 2. Easy peasy. Go 6 inches down, 6 across. It doesn't have to be perfect, but put it right there. What about that angle, guys? Hi, bud. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put these on either side. This is gonna be the far side, this is gonna be the side that sticks out from the chair. And we're gonna put these on the inside.
What's this?
Yeah.
It's like a holder.
Yeah.
It's a cup holder.
It's a cup holder.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be a cup holder slash table
Yeah.
for like your phone or something, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
There you go.
Mommy.
Kind of what the concept is gonna be. It's gonna hang from that. Did you take off with my braces?
I put it on there.
There.
No.
Yeah. So we're gonna put the brace right up in here. And then we got one for the back side that'll go right up there. Before I screw it on there, I'm gonna take a little bit of Gorilla Construction adhesive. Just put a little bit on there. And just put a little bit on there, kind of hold it in place a little bit, and then also, you know, give it a little extra strength. 2-inch screw. Same 2-inch screws I used to build this thing. I use 2-inch and 2.5-inch screws. So. Real slow, because I don't want to crack this. You can pre-drill a pilot hole if you want to, but. One more. There we go. All right, so that's one on there. Let's go ahead and see the strength of it with just one. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and put the other side on. Tighten it down. Construction adhesive, just a little bit. That adhesive coming out, that's okay. Put on your pants. All right. Solid. All right, now I'm just gonna sand it. All right, this hole big enough to get the bottom in, but it's still just such a tight fit. So I'm gonna have to sand out just a little bit, I think, and then it should slip in there. I want it to be a tight fit, but I think it's too tight where it's not gonna fit all the way. So I'm just gonna take a little sandpaper and oh yeah. It's in there perfect now. Just a little bit of sanding, not much. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna get it stained to the same color as my Adirondack chairs. I had a little left over from the Adirondack chair build. Like, got it all stained up. Once it's dry, I will put the cup holder back in. It's complete. Now let's put it on there and see how it looks. I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Just 1 second. And if you enjoyed this video, I got another one for you right here. Go ahead and check that one out. We'll catch you next time.